Looking for a high-performance drone without breaking the bank? Today, we're revealing the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2025, all with 4K or 8K cameras, brushless motors, GPS, and obstacle avoidance at prices that'll blow your mind. Let's get your drone game flying higher this year. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. S156 Drone. The S156 drone is a feature-packed performer with a 4K HD dual camera system, FPV Wi-Fi transmission, and brushless motors for smooth, stable flight. It also includes optical flow positioning, keeping it stable even in light wind. Product reviews. Users love its reliability and long battery life for the price, calling it a great starter drone for both indoor and outdoor flights. Pros: dual 4K cameras with real-time FPV view. Brushless motor ensures smooth, quiet flight. Optical flow stability keeps it steady. Great value under budget. Number 4. Drone GT8 camera. The GT8 drone is built for adventure. It's equipped with a 4K HD camera, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and foldable design perfect for travel. The integrated screen on the remote controller gives you a live view, even under bright sunlight. Product reviews. Buyers praise its build quality, sharp video output, and easy-to-control features, making it a fantastic choice for first-time drone pilots. Pros: foldable, portable, and lightweight. 4K HD camera for crystal-clear videos. Real-time FPV screen display. Excellent beginner-friendly controls. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia V988 Drone. From Xiaomi's trusted lineup, the V988 drone brings 8K ultra-high-definition video, a lightweight under 249 grams frame, and a brushless motor system. It's travel-friendly yet professional-grade, with a screen built into the controller for easy operation. Product reviews. Users call it a mini powerhouse, praising its stability, crisp 8K footage, and high-end flight performance despite its compact size. Pros: stunning 8K resolution camera. Lightweight, no FAA registration needed, under 249 grams. Long flight time and quick GPS lock. Compact but powerful design. Number 2. New D13RC Drone. The D13 drone comes with a triple camera setup for multiple viewing angles, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Its brushless motor ensures smooth control even in high wind, and the large screen on the remote makes live monitoring effortless. Product reviews. Customers love its durability and stable FPV performance, often comparing it to more expensive drones that cost twice as much. Pros: triple camera versatility, front, bottom, wide. 5G Wi-Fi FPV for real-time image transmission. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Excellent flight stability and control. Number 1. Xiaomi XT606 Drone. The Xiaomi XT606 Max takes the crown with its 8K HD camera, GPS positioning, 5G FPV live video, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. It's powered by brushless motors for quiet, efficient flight and includes a built-in screen remote for easy control. Product reviews. Pilots rave about its cinematic quality footage and rock-solid GPS hold. It's a favorite for travelers, vloggers, and drone hobbyists alike. Pros: professional-grade 8K video clarity. GPS tracking with automatic return to home. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance for safe flight. Long flight time and high stability. Best overall value for 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our top 5 best drones from AliExpress for 2025. Whether you're looking for professional level 8K footage or a fun, beginner-friendly drone, these picks deliver the best quality for every budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart gadget reviews and drone comparisons every week. Thanks for watching. Now get ready to take your adventures to new heights.